Hi, I'm Councillor Liz Needham, and I wanted to show you what the St Albans Liberal Democrat team has been up to during COVID.
I'm Chris White. I'm leader of St Albans District Council in the background, and usually I'm sitting outside the building. Normally, of course, I work from home at the moment, and that work involves being on calls with campus agencies like the County Council, the government, you name it, in order to plan and progress what we need to do on COVID-19. This has not been an easy time. Financial challenges are horrendous, and we have a Conservative opposition which is running around pretending that the problems of COVID and finance are unique to St Albans and this administration. No pulling together in St Albans, but we fight on, and we believe the public is with us, even when we have to take some really difficult decisions.
Hello there, I'm Councillor Helen Campbell from St Albans. This whole community has really pulled together during the lockdown. I've been delivering shopping to vulnerable households and picking up school lunches for children who have been shielding. And together with the whole Liberal Democrat team here in St Albans, I've been making phone calls to vulnerable and shielding residents. I'm really grateful for my own health, which allows me to do this. And I think if we're fit and able, there is always someone who needs our help.
I'm Councillor Jackie Taylor, Housing Portfolio Holder. Before the Prime Minister even announced lockdown, here in St Albans, we were already working with our partners, Open Door and Drug Link, to accommodate all rough sleepers. Every rough sleeper who would accept accommodation was accommodated. We had some very successful outcomes with people maintaining their accommodation, and we do not think we'll return to rough sleeping.
We met regularly to discuss our response to COVID-19.
My name is Anthony Rowlands. I'm the Cabinet Member for Leisure, Public Realm and Heritage on St Albans City and District Council, and the parks fall within my area of responsibility. They've all been open, literally open, throughout the COVID period, and been fantastically popular with local residents, and particularly for those who don't have their own gardens. We've kept all the facilities open within what we've been allowed to by government, so our public lavatories, importantly, remained open throughout the period.
I'm Councillor Iqbal Zia. I work with the local Muslim community to ensure they adhere to the social distancing guideline during the month of Ramadan and Eid.
Councillor Danny Clare worked closely with local groups to ensure that there was social distancing at the Black Lives Matter demonstrations in June.
Hello, I'm Karen Young. I'm the Portfolio Holder for Resources at the Lib Dem-led District Council in St Albans. We have faced enormous challenges as a result of the COVID crisis, including administering the government grant system to local businesses. As a result, we have pulled forward our review of our financial situation and reviewed things such as our operating model and shared services.
Mandy McNeil, Portfolio Holder for Business and Tourism. What we've done is we've got businesses up online as soon as possible during COVID-19 so we could get them some alternative revenue, set up community hubs with pubs and our market traders. We're increasing our market stores safely, signs for social distancing, and we've got flowers for mental health and community pollinator pots. So we've got a lot going on to keep St Albans safe and happy at the same time.
As the organiser for St Albans, I've been making sure all of our volunteers have plenty of leaflets to deliver.
And this is some of the team that helped to deliver those leaflets.
And as the MP for St Albans, I was putting out almost daily updates on social media and by email to thousands of people here in St Albans. And I was helping residents with all sorts of queries, whether that was getting help for businesses and families, whether it was helping people stuck abroad without money or medicine, or hassling ministers until they fixed our local hospital oxygen supply.